Does your body appear 2 to 3 shades darker every summer and you don't know how to fix it? Then this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Khadija and you're watching me on BeBeautiful. Today we're talking about body tanning, what it actually is, why it happens, whether it's harmful, and a simple shower routine to help you deal with it. Let's go. What is tanning? First, let's understand tanning. Tanning is your skin's defense mechanism. When your skin is exposed to UV rays, it produces more melanin to protect itself. That's why your skin appears darker. So technically, tanning is your skin's way of protecting you, but it does not mean it's harmless. So the question is tanning good or bad? Short answer, not really good. Because if you're tanning, it means that your skin has been exposed to UV damage. Over time, this will lead to pigmentation, faster skin aging, dullness, uneven skin tone, and of course, sun damage. So the goal is not to just remove the tan, but also prevent it from happening in the first place. How to remove tan in 3 days? Let's be honest, you cannot remove tan overnight. Your skin needs time to renew and shed those pigmented cells in the first place. What you can do is speed up the process, smooth out the skin, and gradually bring your tone to what it usually is. So let me walk you through that process. Step 1, exfoliate gently. This is the most important step. Tan sits on the top layer of your skin, so you need to remove those layers gently over time. One of the best ways to do that is by adding an exfoliating body wash to your routine. I love using the Dove exfoliating body wash for this. You can see that by the size of this. It exfoliates while still being gentle on your skin, so you are not aggressively scrubbing or damaging your barrier. Remember to use this regularly, especially in areas where tan is worse. Step 2, do not use harsh scrubs, please. A lot of people try to remove tan by aggressively rubbing their skin. This will cause more damage. Gentle, consistent exfoliation works much better than aggressively rubbing your skin once a week. You can try this DIY coffee scrub at home. Take 1 tablespoon coffee, 2 tablespoons finely ground oats, and mix it with a little bit of milk. Keep this as a part of your weekend routine so you don't get overwhelmed by having to do this again and again. Step 3, lock in hydration. After showering, when your skin is slightly damp, apply your moisturizer. Hydrated skin looks brighter, smoother, and helps repair your skin faster as well. I love using the Glutathione body lotion by Vaseline. It gives hydration while still improving the overall skin tone and brightness over time. How to prevent tan? If you keep tanning every day, nothing will work long term, so prevention is key. Cover areas with sunscreen jacket, umbrellas, hats when possible. Apply and reapply sunscreens on your body when outdoors. And avoid peak sun if you can. Body tan isn't permanent, but it does require patience and consistency. Gentle exfoliation, proper hydration, sun protection, and a little bit of patience can go a long way. So that's it from me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to BeBeautiful. I will see you in the next one. Bye.